Hi, my name's Kate Christie, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about a virtual lab space that I created in Second Life. Now, this lab space was created for a project that has since been published in Computers and Education, and its purpose was kind of to look at the possible impact of leaderboards in a virtual classroom environment here. And if you're interested in this publication, it is available right now on Computers and Education, and the lab space I'm about to show was what we used for this experiment. So the participants all started out in this kind of little tutorial area, and we had them do a couple things to help them get used to all the different interfaces we're going to have them use. So they take a little bit of a sample quiz so that they're used to that interface. We have them sit in the chair and get up and use the camera and just a couple of other things so that they're comfortable with the environment. Once they're done with that, we have them move down into this sort of hallway area with the virtual leaderboard. Now, this leaderboard is programmed to act as if it's an actual functioning leaderboard. It is not, but the user does interact with it to some extent. So you can see here, now the leaderboard is going to ask for your name, for your username, and the participant will go ahead and enter that. Again, increasing the realism of this. And it says, hey, checking for username, think. Part of the reason we have this checking for username sort of facade is to increase realism, but also to increase exposure. Again, you can see here it's saying, hey, your username was taken, again, increasing that perception of realism, and making sure that the participant has a good, long exposure to that leaderboard. Now, leaderboard in this condition was a female-dominated leaderboard. They're the highest up there. So after our participants done with that, we said, okay, go ahead and look around our virtual classroom, which is pretty simple. It's set up to look like a fairly standard classroom. Not a whole lot going on in there. And once they're done, we had them sit in a desk and take a math test within the virtual classroom. Now, they recorded all of their answers on a paper answer sheet because, frankly, that was the best way of doing it for us. So they would take this quiz, they'd go through all of these problems, and ultimately, we would have that experiment finished. When they finished, they'd do a little survey, and that would be just about it. So that's kind of the lab space that we designed for that project. If you're interested in it or if you'd like further information, you can always contact me at christy.89@osu.edu. Thanks.